Family Syndodontidae. First, environment in brackish and marine. Second, body elongate, cylindrical, head small, lizard-like, jaw long, teeth large, no fin spines, adipose fin present. Found in warm, shallow seas or muddy or sandy bottoms. Most lizardfish have vicious reproduction. Mouth full of sharp teeth. Scaly heads, maximum length of about 50 centimeters. Characteristically mottler or blotched to blend with their surrounding. Carnivores and prey on fish.
The syndodontidae, or we know as lizardfish, have terminal mouth because its habitat lives in demersal. The dorsal fins have no spine, but only have dorsal soft ray. It have also adipose fin. The shape of caudal fin is forked, and the type of pelvic fins is thoracic. The body shape is anguilliform. The type of teeth is villiforma, and the scales is cycloid.
The species of Syndodontidae is Saurida longimanus, Saurida undusquamis, Saurida tumbil, Trachycephalus myope, and the last is Synodus variegatus.
Saurida tumbil. Saurida tumbil have signs such as short pectoral fins. Inner side of pelvic fins is dusky black, and it have 8 to 10 faint bars along lateral line. These fish have low price in the market. The commercial value is about 1 ringgit and 50 cents to 2 ringgit. This fish is caught by trawlers because its habitat is at the bottom of the sea, or we call it demersal.
Let's move on to another species of family Syndodontidae, which is Trichonocephalus myox. Let's talk about the differences between Trichonocephalus myox and other species of lizardfish in family Syndodontidae. First of all is their head and dorsal region are brownish. Second, their body are covered by blue and yellow longitudinal strips. Third, their fins are pale yellow. Lastly, the most obvious differences is this species has a dark blotch on upper of operculum. These are the most obvious differences that you can spot on Trichonocephalus myox to the other species of lizardfish in family Syndodontidae. The commercial value for Trichonocephalus myox is usually from 1 ringgit to 2 ringgit Malaysia. They are caught by bottom trawl, and mostly they are made into fish cake and fish ball.
Okay, next we are going to talk about Saurida undoscomis, which is one of the family of Syndodontidae. Can you spot the differences between Saurida undoscomis and other lizardfish? The differences is its dorsal region and sides are brown in color, while the ventral side of the body is silvery white. As you can see, its abdomen is whitish, which means it is white in color. Also, it has 8 to 10 dark spurs along lateral line. Lastly, the most current differences between Saurida undoscomis and other lizardfish is it has 5 to 8 dark spots along anterior ray of dorsal fin and also upper ray of caudal fin.
Synodus variegatus. Synodus variegatus, also called as variegated lizardfish in common name. Synodus variegatus have a long pectoral fins and reach the pelvic fins. It also have a black vertical stripe at the caudal fins. At the body, it have the red horizontal line from the behind operculum to caudal fin. The maximum length of variegated lizardfish is 40 cm. Besides, it was caught commercially using dragnet to produce a fisheries product such as dried fish. Lastly, variegated lizardfish was sold around Rm2.50 per kg.
Okay, the next fish is Saurida longimanus. How to identify this species? Mostly, fishermen will look at pectoral fin. Longfin lizardfish is different from the others in having a long pectoral fin, extending past the origin of the dorsal fin. What interesting, this species is non-hermaphroditic. Saurida longimanus or longfin lizardfish can be found over muddy and sandy substrata. The longfin lizardfish unsex male is about 25 centimeters. The price of this species is not expensive, average RM1 Malaysia to RM2 Malaysia. Usually on the market, this species sold in fresh and frozen. Caught this species by throw off.
For your information, lizardfish or ikan cono can be marketed in 3 forms, such as fresh, processed, and dry. The most valuable is the processed. Is this because the processed fish can be sold up to RM6 per kilo, while the others is cheap. Lizardfish is a low-rate fish, and they usually used to make another product like a fish cake and a fish fillet. Keropok leko. Keropok leko is very famous in our culture. It made from fresh fish like tamban, parang, and cono. Keropok leko cono is a new product that have in our market. The value of lizardfish fillet is low, but sometimes people find to make fish ball. Also, the most popular product that made from lizardfish is sashimi. For your information, sashimi is a traditional cuisine from Japan. It's made from fish fillet and dipped into soy sauce. In Japan, laserfish sashimi are so popular. The conclusion is the way to identify family Synodontidae for Saurida longimanus. It has pectoral fin long reaching far beyond dorsal fin origin. For Saurida undosquamis, it has spot at dorsal fin and spot at the caudal fin. For Synodus variegatus, it has a red line from operculum to caudal fin. And for Saurida tumbil, it has no spot at dorsal fin and no spot at caudal fin. For the last is Trachinephalus myope. It has not very sharp and alternating blue and yellow line, also mouth oblique.